maraming shout out. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And again, for today's video guys, we will do another video which is unboxing. So I ordered this one 3 days ago. And actually this is not, hindi ko to personal na gamit guys. But I ordered this one in Noon. And it arrived yesterday. So Johnson from Institute, Times Square, Metro Station. Yes, this is from Pasig Metro Station. 50% first offer code. Let's do this. Actually guys, gamit ko sa school. Ayan. So what's this inside? Wala. That's all. This is actually a strips for the glucose testing. What's this inside guys? When you do a testing for the blood, this is the one. Sorry. For the testing, ito yung strips. Strips ng pang-testing ng sugar. So this is 50 pieces. This is 50 pieces. And this is also 50 pieces. With love, feedback, enjoy your service and this positive love level also. And get 580 gift card, thank you. Yes. So finally, I have this one for my students. So they will not able to pay or to buy for the testing. This is just this. Each one has a 50 pieces. So this is 100 pieces. 100 student can use this for their blood glucose testing. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching once again. Pure Stone Heart. Bye bye.